Let's look at the worked example where we applied our understanding of the gradient of a straight line. So here you have a challenge problem. Find the gradient of the line shown in the diagram here. The gradient of the line indicates the steepness of the line shown there, right? The gradient of that line. So how do you go about finding the gradient of the line? Well, you can draw a triangle lock that into place. You can draw a triangle under the line to show the horizontal and vertical distances. So we can draw a line there and draw a line there to show the vertical and the horizontal distances. You can measure off the vertical distance by counting the units 5 and 5/10 based upon the y-axis, and you can count off the distance on the x-axis from this point here, -4 to +2, and that is shown this gradient is the vertical change there over the horizontal change, and that's 10/6, simplifying as 5/3, or 1 2/3. So the gradient is 1 2/3. Can be shown here. Horizontal change, vertical change, 1 2/3. So that's an example of the calculating the gradient of a line. In the next video, we look at another example, or let's look at another example. Find the gradient of a line joining the point A with coordinates 2, 4 and the point B with coordinates 4, 10. So without using a diagram, you can use the y coordinate of B, the y coordinate of B minus the y coordinate of A. So it'd be 10 minus 4 shown here, and then the x coordinate 4 minus 2 shown there. And that simplified gives you the gradient of 3. So that's how you calculate the gradient of a line.